report on AO61GDE. When I first did a diagnostic scan, it had recorded misfires on 1 and 3, but we've run in the car for a while now, there's no misfires. One thing that was a problem, there's no heat coming out the vents, and that was due to an airlock at the top of the engine. So I bled the thermostat, which is down here, and now we've got heat coming through the engine's running smoothly. So I've taken the car around the block, it's running fine, so I'm yet to see what the problem is. Continuing with this, the car's been running for another 5 minutes or so, and the heater's gone cold. So that means we've got another airlock. And the next thing I'm going to do is do a smoke test. So basically the engine's been running and I'm going to rev it. And that is blue smoke, which means you've got quite a lot of oil consumption. So you'll be burning a lot of oil in this car. I'm trying to run the car up to temperature. The thermostat opens at 105. And having got rid of the any airlocks, we now have heat from there, which is good. But what we are seeing is you've got a water leak. That's coming from the water pump or the crossover pipe behind the water pump. So it's not major, it's just a drip, but it is there, and you will be losing coolant. So the temperature's been up to 106, and then thermostat open, so it's now dropping. I now need to build the temperature back up to make sure the fan cuts in. When the fan cuts in, I know that that cooling circuit's all good. Let's go back to misfires while we're here. Still on the misfires, but the car doesn't feel a little bit rocky. I mean, it's not terrible, and it's not misfiring. The fan should cut in a second. It should cut in around 110, 111 degrees. Okay, fan's just cut in. You hear the fan running. That's running well. And now the temperature should drop again. Yeah. So that's doing what we expect. Good. Let's just check for misfires again. And I don't think we're getting any. No misfires.